Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling all ingredients and tools so the process is continuous. 2 cups granulated sugar, 2/3 cup light corn syrup, and 3/4 cup water measured into a heavy bottom saucepan. Have 1/4 teaspoon citric acid, 1/8 teaspoon concentrated blue raspberry flavoring, and 1/8 teaspoon blue gel color ready in small bowls. Set a silicone mat or parchment on a rimmed tray and lightly oil it. Keep a candy thermometer, a heat-proof spatula, a buttered spoon, and a small heat-proof pitcher nearby for pouring. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the sugar mixture to a gentle simmer. Do not stir once it starts boiling. Instead, wipe down any sugar crystals on the sides with a wet pastry brush. Continue cooking until the candy thermometer reaches 300 degrees F, the hard crack stage, which ensures the candy will snap when cooled. Immediately remove the pan from heat, add 1/4 teaspoon citric acid, 1/8 teaspoon flavor, and 1/8 teaspoon blue gel color while stirring briefly. Then transfer the hot. Let the poured blue raspberry syrup sit undisturbed on the mat until it firms but remains slightly pliable, usually about 8 to 12 minutes depending on room temperature. Use oiled cutters or score the candy with an oiled bench scraper and break into pieces once set. Wear heat-proof gloves or use tongs to handle shards and work carefully to avoid cuts. Finally, store the candies at room temperature in an airtight container with parchment between layers to prevent sticking and keep them crisp for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.